Well, hello there. It has been a few days. I know I haven't posted a Vlogmas video since Saturday and it is now Wednesday. All for good reason though. If you watched my last vlog, you could tell I was not feeling very well in that vlog and I ended up not being able to finish it because of how sick I got. If you've been following along, you've heard me ramble about my sickness. I feel like I complained so much about it and I'm like so sorry. I'm not trying to complain, but I feel like it's just like there, so I need to talk about it. I don't know. Basically for a whole week I had like this weird throat thing and then my voice started getting all hoarse and then it turned into a cold where, you know, I was really congested and stuff and I got a headache, and that all started on Saturday. And then Saturday night, once I got home, I don't know if I overworked myself or what happened, but got home Saturday night and I started feeling very achy and low energy and I had a really bad headache and I was so congested and I really just didn't feel good and I felt a fever coming on. Like I was getting achy and it just wasn't good. And then I woke up Sunday morning and I was done for. I couldn't even go to church, which I was so sad about. I wanted to go to church, but I was really sick. I could not get out of bed. My head was pounding, like it hurt so bad. Everything was hurting basically, and I couldn't breathe very well because of how stuffed up I was. But yeah, so it was not a fun time. And then I didn't go to work Monday because of it. I felt a little bit better Monday, but I really needed to rest. I was still pretty achy. But finally, like yesterday is when I started feeling a lot better, except for my whole like cold fever flu thing, whatever it was, started feeling better. But yesterday morning my stomach started hurting and guys, it felt like I was going to pass out. Like it hurt so bad, like oh. But anyways, that's better. I'm feeling a ton better. Anyways, that's my little update. I'm back. I'm gonna be vlogging more. I just didn't want to vlog when I was sick because I was laying in bed, there was nothing to film. So anyways, today's Wednesday. I'm going to work today. Gonna rush home after that, go to Bible study, and then I really need to clean. I don't know about you guys, but when I get sick, I kind of let things go. And that's what I did with my room and my bathroom. They are a disaster. Like, disaster. I will definitely show you, but it's not good. Everything's everywhere and it's really bothering me. I have Kleenex everywhere. It's disgusting and I just need it cleaned like now, and Christmas is next week, so things need to be clean. And I also need to get presents wrapped. I have a bunch of presents just sitting on my dresser and it needs to be wrapped and clothes put away and trash on away and so much stuff. And I'm sad because Christmas is about to be over and all the Christmas decorations are gonna go down and then there's no more Christmas music and summer is coming and oh, it's a mess. Happy Vlogmas Day 19, I believe. Yeah, is today the 19th or the 20th? No, today's the 19th, yeah. So I need to get ready to go to work. Okay, so let's just take a little look at what my room looks like. I'm sorry in advance, but like I said, I kind of let it go when I was sick, so here it is. It's just some boxes and random shirts on the ground, random stuff there. My desk is a mess. I need to take my trash out, put my makeup away. There's like presents and clothes up here that just need to be taken care of. I need to wash my sheets because I was sick, so I need to wash all my sheets and all that stuff. And then over here, clothes everywhere. This bag, sorry, it's probably TMI. That is full of Kleenex and other random things. And then my closet, there's just dirty clothes kind of just like puked out of it. More trash. And then it goes out into the hallway. This is my boxes. Then the bathroom. This is another mess. Clothes everywhere. Literally. The counter is a mess. More tissues in this trash I don't want to show. Everything just needs cleaned. It's just one big mess and I'm feeling gross about it, so I need to clean it. And then also, as you saw, Lucy got me some face masks for Christmas. I put them in my bath bomb thing and I think they look so cute, but I'm going to use this one either tonight or tomorrow, but it's a for dry skin mud mask and I really need that. I don't know about you, but when I get sick, congestion wise, I blow my nose a lot and it gets super dry and crackly, so I'm gonna use that. I really just want to clean. I want to take a proper shower and exfoliate and put on a face mask. Like, I just need to get back into the groove of everything and feel better. So I can't believe Vlogmas is coming to an end. I knew it was gonna go by fast, and it does every year, but every year it just seems to get faster. So I'm sad. All right, so now that I am home from everything that I had to do today, I'm home for the night, I'm gonna get on cleaning because I need to. I'm also gonna combine today and tomorrow's vlog into one because I know this one's gonna be too short and not entertaining at all. So I'm combining, but I'm gonna clean now, and I really don't want to because I'm so tired, but it needs to get done. So let's do that. I don't know if I'm gonna show a montage because I already did that. Well, should I? Do you guys want a montage, or should I just do a before and after? We'll see. I'll give it to someone special. I'll give it to someone special. Now it's time to listen to some Christmas music and wrap some presents. So I finished wrapping all of the gifts. So these ones are for family, so I have to go put those under the tree, and then these ones are for a friend. So I feel very accomplished. And I'm in love with this wrapping paper. It's so cute. I actually had wrapped some for my friend in different wrapping paper, and I unwrapped it to wrap it in this one because I liked it better. But I am honestly horrible at wrapping, so a lot of these look really bad. I just want to go to sleep now. I'm so tired. I'm ready for bed. Peep little Lila in the background. You're so cute. Okay, so it is actually the next day. It's Thursday. Like I said, I'm combining today and yesterday's vlogs, but I just got home from work. Guys, I'm feeling so much better. Like, my congestion is almost gone. Like, there's a little bit, but not bad. I actually have a whole week off from work, so that'll be nice to just, you know, have the whole Christmas season off. But tomorrow, me and Claire are hanging out. We haven't hung out forever. It feels like I haven't seen her in forever. But we're gonna exchange some gifts, go get some food, you know, do all that fun stuff. I don't know what I'm gonna do tonight. I definitely want to do a face mask tonight, like I told you guys. Really want to do that. I'm so excited to get my hair touched up after my family goes to Sedona on Saturday. I think when we get back, I don't know when we're gonna get back, but when we do, my friend's gonna come over because she does hair, and she's gonna fix my roots for me. Morgan, actually. She was in my nail video, actually, so she's gonna come do my hair. And yeah. Okay, so I just ate some dinner, and now I'm feeling kind of bored and productive. So what I think I'm gonna do is clean out under my bathroom sinks, because I haven't cleaned them out since we moved in, and they've just gotten, I used to have them organized, but then I just started throwing things in there. I feel like that always happens. But I'm gonna clean them out. This is what they look like currently. So I just have a bunch of just like randomness in here, and then yeah, bunch of random stuff. So I feel like this vlog is like a cleaning vlog, but whatever. I'm gonna clean all of this out. So first I'm just gonna start by removing everything, seeing if I need to throw anything away. So let's do that. Now we're gonna go into the montage style, so be back. Okay, so everything in here is pretty much organized. It doesn't look great, but there's here. And then this stuff is not gonna, because it's just cords, but whatever. I think I'm gonna be even more productive and clean my closet. I'm in a cleaning mood, apparently. I'll show you the top of my closet. There's just a bunch of stuff everywhere. I need to like either organize it better or get rid of a bunch of things. I have a lot of things that are like memorabilia stuff that I don't know if I want to get rid of, but there's just like bags and cords and stuff, and it's not cute, so I think I'm gonna take care of that. Sorry for the music, but I found this hat that I bought for Lila when she was a puppy, and I'm gonna try and put it on her. Here, look.
Get it off, Lila. She's torturing you.
She hates it. Look how ugly you look. This looks so ugly. I don't know why I thought this was cute. She hates it. Okay, I'm sorry. Oh, I'm sorry. I found another thing. Aww. You're so fat. You're so cute. She hates me. Come here. What do you see? Aww. Look at you. You're so cute. I'm so happy she's staying still. You're cute. Wow. Look at that. Supposed to be studying. Jonathan. Aren't you supposed to be studying? Aren't you supposed to be studying? Mm-hmm. Are they almost done, or you just start?
I just gotta put them in teaspoons. I made the...
No bakes? Hmm. Are they done? You should have made peanut butter balls.
I was gonna make that too.
We're gonna
I was gonna make that toffee, but then since you said you didn't like it, I was the only one. I'm afraid I gained 10 more pounds.
Alright, now that my hair is looking great, I'm going to do my face mask now. We just went and looked at Christmas lights. I didn't film it though because I already have footage of looking at Christmas lights, so I thought it would be kind of not, I don't know, just didn't film it. But we're gonna go look again before Christmas, so maybe I'll film that. But anyways, I'm gonna do my face mask now, and I'm excited because my skin is feeling all sorts of dry. I just can't get over how ratchet my hair looks like. Look, there's like a chunk out. Whatever. You've seen me at my worst, I feel like. All right, let's go. And I'm excited because I get to use my new mask applier. So first I need to remove this. I love how it smells. The only thing that's not clean in my bathroom is my mirror and my counters. My counters get dirty so easily because I don't know why, the type of material they are, but I haven't cleaned those yet. My skin needs cleaning. Be back. Now that my face is all clean, but I look real nice, I'm going to be using this Yes2 Coconut Ultra Hydrating Moisturizing Mud Mask with the matching applier. So let's see how good this works. Oh, it smells so good. It smells like summertime, which is kind of weird though. I can't open it. Let's try the other side. There we go. This feels fun. Okay. I love this. Okay.
Jingle bells, jingle all the way. Oh, what fun it is to ride.
Alright, it's all applied. Alright, so I'm gonna let this sit, and then I also might do a nose mask, but we'll see if I'm feeling up to it after. While this is drying, I'm gonna give myself a coconut oil hair mask, and hopefully my hair will feel better. Alright, let's do this.